Did you know that you can make money just walking? There is a new app in place for you to make money while you walk and also do affiliate marketing. So if you want to get started, just comment interested. The app is called Sweatcoin. You can check out the link in my bio in order for you to get started on how to make money and generate at least $25 from using this application. So what you need to do is to have a smartphone and internet connection and start working. And this app will record your steps and you will earn sweat coins that you can convert into cash. And also when you reach a certain threshold, you can also make money by converting those sweat coin into US dollars, which you can withdraw through PayPal. So if you want to make money with this app, make sure that you know how to do affiliate marketing, because that's the best way to make money. And I've made money using this app, promoting this app, and you can also do. If you want to learn, comment interested, reach out to me and I'll be ready to guide you through all the process on how to make money online.